Stop waiting for tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. Today is your day to kick procrastination to the curb. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like you are stuck in a loop of endless delays where your big goals just keep waiting? Today I am here to help you break that cycle with 5 simple actionable steps that will not only overcome procrastination but boost your overall productivity. Let's make today the day you start achieving your dreams. I remember a time when I spent hours scrolling through the social media instead of studying or working on some project. It was not until I made a change that I start seeing real progress. And now I am excited to share these tips with you. So let's get started in the video. Let's start by understanding why you procrastinate often. It's not laziness. It could be fear of failure, perfection, or even feeling overwhelmed by a huge project or a lots of study. Ask yourself, what exactly is holding me back? Maybe it is the thought of not doing perfectly or the fear that you won't meet expectation. Recognizing this feeling is first step to overcoming them. Keep a journal for a week. Write down when you notice yourself putting off tasks and jot down what you are feeling at that moment. Over the time, you will see the pattern that can help you tackle the underlying issues. Step 2 is to break your task into smaller, more manageable pieces. Huge tasks can be intimidating. Instead of thinking, I have to read 20 pages. Try focusing on reading the one page at a time. Use checklist or app to mark off each small task. This not only makes the progress less daunting, but also gives you a sense of achievement as you progress. Next up is setting clear goals and deadline. Goals give you a direction and create a sense of urgency. Write down what you accomplish and attach a deadline to each mini task. Research shows that deadline can significantly boost productivity by pushing you to take action. It is not just about planning, it's about execution. If you plan to, step 4 is creating an environment that supports your focus. Identify and remove distraction, whether it is your phone, social media, or even a messy workspace. Try turning off notification or using apps that block distraction during your work session. Establish a dedicated workspace that signals to your brain it is time to focus, and use technique like Pomodoro techniques, 25 minutes of focused work followed by 5-minute break to maintain concentration. Finally, reward yourself. Recognizing your hard work is crucial, whether it's a short break, a favorite snack, or time spent on your hobby. Rewards help reinforce positive habit. Sharing your goals with friends or joining an accountability group can provide additional support and motivation. Sometimes knowing someone else is cheering you on makes all the difference. Set up a weekly check-ins with a buddy to discuss your progress. Celebrate small wins together. It is a game changer. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, setbacks happen. In this bonus section, I will share a few strategies to bounce back and keep the momentum going. Understand the setbacks are normal, part of any journey. Instead of getting discouraged, view them as learning opportunities. If you find any particular strategy isn't working, tweak it. Maybe you need to break tasks down and even further or adjust your work environment. Maintain a simple log of your achievement, no matter how small. When you are really feeling low, reviewing this log can remind you of how far you have come. Every small step you take today adds up to a brighter, more productive tomorrow. What step are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friend. And subscribe for more tips to help you crush procrastination and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't delay, start now and make it happen.